Oh, you dancing?
Alright, I'll get my thing going.
Yay!
Yay!
There's not enough light in here.
Shoot. Oh, there's not enough light, honey.
I got some. There we go. You gonna dance?
Yeah.
Ah, cheese.
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 You're so cute.
Yeah.
Yay!
This is
Play
where
it
Rita's
again.
grandmother was living.
Wow, that's
This
beautiful.
is Southampton, so she lives up in Northampton.
Oh, really?
Why?
My sister-in-law's grandmother lives out in the up here in the Hamptons,
Whoa.
in the Southampton. Well, she has a house up there, and it's like second or third something from the end of
You're
the
dancing.
Yeah.
Yay!
the old Hamptons.
Why?
Oh, I gotta call Rita and find out how y'all
Why
got
do
She said she'd keep us updated. She hasn't said it to me lately.
Yeah.
Yay!
Nancy, my sister-in-law is from Scarfield, New York.
Okay.
Right outside the city. Her mom's a principal. Her mom's sister's a principal
Yay!
in elementary school in Virginia Beach.
Oh my goodness.
Her cousin
Yay.
lives near her mom in Virginia Beach. Or actually, I'm not sure how close she lives to her. But their property where they live, is the park that we would go to from where I live, which is kind of wild.
Here's Sawyer. Bring me the book. Bring me the book.
Her first
Ow, ow,
cousin
ow, ow, ow. Put my arm down.
Oh.
is
Sorry.
Jim Davis.
Did you lift it? Too
Who
far.
owns New Balance shoes.
Yeah.
He's Greek,
Here.
100%.
Okay.
When Ria's grandfather came over from Greece with his brother couldn't speak English. So when they came across, the guy said, "What's your name?"
Hopefully he'll face us
An
now.
Englishman got in between him
On
and his brother.
videotape
He
now.
just pointed, and the guy said, "Davis," and wrote it down. Handed it to him.
So that's how he came up with the name.
They're so cute. They're in their own little world.
Yay!
To live life without inhibitions.
Right.
This is the book I got him for his birthday.
Oh, is it?
You're never going to get dizzy and fall down.
Whoa.
That's London Bridges, huh? I'm gonna get dizzy watching him.
I'll fall down.
See why life was never boring in our house?
Yeah.
One of the three is acting out or acting up.
Yeah.
Clap. Clap.
Clap. He's saying clap.
Clap.
Yay! Well, let's turn the other way.
Okay.
Clap.
We can't clap. We're videotaping.
We're videotaping.
Yay!
Come on, Colby. Come on.
You got somebody to clap.
Come on. Sit.
That is
Boy.
funny.
This is too cute. We're going on almost 5 minutes here of tape.
Yay.
Yay!
So silly.
All right.
Colby's jealous.
Yay.
The dog's jealous.